One of the primary challenges is the installed cost of structural elements for heliostats. To achieve utility scale infrastructure, we need to lower costs and increase the volume of production. By creating a series of composite beams and sandwich panels that could be used across a variety of different heliostat fields, we allow for easier adoption while also replacing the high-cost, high-weight steel and concrete.
This is our main panel after testing and deconstruction. We have representative facets for the mirrors. This is one of our prototype hat beams. It weighs about 6 pounds. On the front, you could see the continuous glass fiber skin. And then if you flip it over on the back, we have the rigid polyiso foam.
Our goal is to replace heavy, expensive steel with advanced thermoplastic composites. Thermoplastic composites can be produced at large scale, at large volume, and they have similar strength and heat resistance for the applications that heliostats are going to face. Multiscale Systems has a proven track record of composite innovation. We've developed thermoplastic composite materials for the transportation industry. Multiscale Systems has the background necessary not just for design, but also the networked contract manufacturing expertise to be able to provide the volumes of thermoplastic composites that would be necessary.